Installing the DL3 on concrete. Place your DL3 brass deck light onto the surface of the concrete wall where you wish for the light to be placed. Once you have the light fixture in the desired position, mark your drill. After you have marked your holes for the mounting screws, use a hammer drill with a 1/4-inch masonry bit. Make sure to drill your holes at least 1.5 inches deep. This will ensure that the screws do Once you have drilled your holes, place the plastic screw taps into each hole. Ensure that the plastic taps are flush with the concrete. Once your plastic taps are securely fastened to the wall, place the light fixture into its desired position. Use stainless steel screws to place the fixture on the wall. This will ensure that the fixture stays in place forever. After you have fastened the fixture to the wall, place the light bulb into the fixture. Once you have placed the lamp into the fixture, it is now time to put the top of the light onto the base plate of the fixture. Tighten the set screws on each side of the faceplate so that the top of the fixture is securely fastened to the base plate. Now the light is ready to be connected and tested at the hub, where the fixture's lead wire is tied into the